Hi, and welcome to an introduction to order process automation with Artsyl's OrderAction. When it comes to customer order processing, OrderAction automates and accelerates the availability of customer order transactional data in Acumatica. OrderAction is a certified application and fulfilled by Acumatica. You see, the problem is document-based business processes, such as orders, have information embedded within them which need to be transformed into transactional data. Typically, this is a tenuous manual process fraught with errors. It delays order fulfillments and very costly, which also diminishes your investment in Acumatica to make your business more efficient, competitive, and sustainable. So OrderAction transforms a manual process like you see here into an automated process like this, enabling you to accelerate the availability of validated, approved, and accurate order data in Acumatica, while at the same time reducing errors and lowering overall operational costs. We do this with our AI-powered, no-code, highly customizable, end-to-end intelligent automation platform, which is a collective of automation technologies required to automate all the tasks from beginning to end that are associated with processing invoices or customer orders. Based on this platform and the many years of experience Artsyl has automating millions of customer orders and invoices, rises OrderAction and InvoiceAction. InvoiceAction is covered in a separate video. These action solutions are pre-packaged with all the components and foundational intelligence to automate order or invoice processing. Out of the box, they are ready to start processing, which cuts down on deployment time, customizations, and overall costs. These action solutions are available as a subscription-based cloud-to-cloud or an on-premise to cloud deployment. So let's take a closer look at OrderAction and what is going on behind the scenes. OrderAction acquires orders from various entry points in your business: emails, scanning, portals, network folders, and so on, and transforms orders into data. And then they are classified by customer to assign the correct process and extract the relevant transactional data. This data is then validated. OrderAction validates the data that is on the order by performing line item arithmetic checks and matching extracted data with databases to ensure all data is accurate, is the most current, and complies to all business process rules. But also, OrderAction can also provide other information not on the order, which could be helpful in the approval process, exception resolution, or as supporting data within Acumatica. This validation step is critical to avoid things such as late or double order fulfillments. Should everything be fine and there are no exceptions, the data is entered directly into Acumatica. Should there be an approval or an exception, a notification is sent to the appropriate resource with a link to the user interface for either approvals or exception resolution. The user experience is friendly and simple. Both the image of the order and extracted data is presented to the user along with other information about the customer, which may not have been on the order but was retrieved during the validation process. During this process, the user is guided with these wizards to make the process faster, accurate, and standardized amongst all users. Here's an example of using click capture to provide information which may be variable with each order, such as ship to location. The user highlights and clicks on the ship to address, and it is copied into the appropriate extraction field. In this example, the PO number was smudged and not completely legible. OrderAction presents the image of the PO and the data that was extracted to the user. Due to the smudge, these characters were in question. the user simply highlights the characters in question and overwrites with the correct character information and presses confirm. In this example, the fax number could either be missing or totally illegible. Rather than having the user look it up, OrderAction looked it up during the validation process and provided it in the appropriate field. So whenever possible, OrderAction substitutes database information to cut down on OCR data verifications. This saves much processing time and ensures data is the most accurate before entering into Acumatica. In this example, a data field was missed, or needs to be added as a new data field for future processing. The user clicks on the appropriate data in the image of the order, and it is copied into the appropriate data field. And in doing so, machine language is recording the user's actions, so the next time through, that data field will be extracted, eliminating future exceptions for this reason. This is an important feature of OrderAction, that it uses machine learning, meaning as users are performing actions such as making corrections or adding newly required extraction fields or working with onboarding new customers, OrderAction is recording and learning from all the user actions so that the next time the same customer order comes through, it will have learned and not cause the same exception again. So over time, there will be less exceptions. When all exceptions are complete, the user submits the order for entry. OrderAction can supply both the metadata and the image of the order to Acumatica. Additionally, OrderAction can deliver the metadata or image to other platforms for compliance or other business process requirements. In Acumatica, if the user wishes to see an image of the order, the user can click on the attachment icon and a link will be presented for the user to view the order. So I hope you can see how OrderAction helps you invest in your future, not more infrastructure and resources, such that you can spend more time working on your business and less time working in it. To get started automating your order processing, contact us at sales@artsyltech.com or call your Acumatica vendor and request this Intelligent Process Automation Playbook, and to schedule a more in-depth look and demo of OrderAction and a go-forward plan to future-proof your business, accelerate your business, and reduce operational costs. Thank you very much.